Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study how to compute the volume of a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism belongs to a solid figure that we have 3 dimensions. So the first given of this problem is the length 40 cm, the width is 8 cm, and the height is 10 cm. So to find the volume of rectangular prism, we have the formula. Volume equals length times width times height. So the given length is 40 times the width, which is 8, and the height, which is 10. So the product is equal to 3,200 cubic centimeter is now the volume of rectangular prism. Okay, next problem. The given is the base area of a rectangular prism, 69 square meter, and the height is equals to 15 meters, and the volume is, you're going to find the volume. So the same, we're going to use the formula of rectangular prism. Volume equals length times width times height. So since the base area is the given, this will be equivalent to length times width. So we have to substitute length and width is 69 and the height is 15, so we have to multiply 69 times 15. So the volume now is 1035 cubic meter. Next, number 3 problem. The base and the width of a rectangular prism are 12 meters and 9 meters respectively. The volume is 540 cubic meters, and find the height. So this time in this problem, missing is the height of the rectangular prism. So in computing the height, so the same formula that we're going to use, volume equals length times width times height. Then we're going to substitute for the volume, equivalent to 540 equals to the length, which is 12, and the width is 9, and the height is not given. So then we have to multiply 12 times 9 equals 108 times height, so 108h. Then 540, just only bring down, copy at the left side of the equation. And then since we are computing for the height, we're going to eliminate the 108. So we're going to divide it by 108 both sides. So 108 divided by 108 equals h, and 540 divided by 108 equals 5 meters. So therefore the height for this problem is 5 meters.